Man, your boy picked up his package from outside, straight from FedEx, straight from Nike, and it looked like it was already open. I don't know what that's about. You guys let me know if I'm the only one that's had this issue as far as Nike and they shipping lately, man. I don't know what's going on, but they need to fix their stuff. I know you guys seen the thumbnail, and I appreciate you guys for clicking on today's video. Yes, we have another pair of Air Jordan 1s, but this time I didn't buy these on GOAT. I didn't buy them on StockX. Your boy was super lucky and got these on the Nike SNKRS app via the restock that they did these past couple of weeks, man. You guys know SNKRS have been going crazy with these restocks, random little shock drops that they do. And I was lucky enough to secure this pair of Air Jordan 1s straight from the SNKRS app, man. You guys let me know down below if you hit on any of these little restocks we've been seeing lately. It's crazy because this sneaker is out of here. I actually hit on this joint on the Flex app, but I did not confirm my pair in time because I didn't even think I was gonna hit, man. I was taking so many L's on the Flex app, so I just didn't even try. But the time I did not confirm it, I actually got a pair secured, and I just didn't, you know, confirm that size at that exact location, man. So now your boy is good. We have that Air Jordan 1. We're gonna unbox it, but before we do, right now I need everybody to do, man, subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Ring notification bell for your boy so you don't miss out on any other content we drop. We got a bunch more content coming, some different stuff, some stuff you probably ain't never seen before over here on the channel. I mean, you know what I'm saying, mix it up, give you guys some different dope content. I know you guys are gonna enjoy it, so please hit the notification bell and like the video, man. The likes go a long way. It helps the channel grow. You guys already know the goal before the end of the year is 50,000 subscribers. I know we're gonna get there with you guys' support. All you gotta do is hit that like button, comment something down below, share this joint to IG, Twitter, any way you can to bring a friend over here. Check out your boy, The Vintage. So with all that out the way, let's jump right into this little, you know, unboxing straight from the Nike SNKRS app. The box is all jacked up. We're not even gonna talk about that too much. But we're gonna, you know what I'm saying, have a little discussion about this sneaker specifically in this box, man. So let's get right into it. All right, guys, so I did hit on this on the SNKRS app, and I was, you know, 2 seconds away. I was like literally 2 seconds away from buying these on StockX or GOAT. You know what I'm saying? I was like, yo, hold on, let me wait just 1 second. Let me wait a couple more days and see what happens. And you guys see, once you see the sneaker, you're gonna see like the resale really tank. But this is a shoe right here that I'm telling you guys will not sit for long. And once it does, you know what I'm saying, finally settle all the way, I think that's when we're gonna start seeing that resale value shoot up because the colorway is dope. The colorway is dope. Go ahead and pull it out. You guys see the box right here. You guys see it. You see it. Woo, woo. You guys see it, man. That yellow Nike on top, straight from the SNKRS app right here. Let's go ahead and take these bad boys out. But if you see the box, you should know exactly which Air Jordan 1s these are right here, man. This is a shoe I did an early review on the channel. I was not able to get it on the first release day a couple months back, and your boy wasn't able to get it on the second drop. And these things is restocking, you know what I'm saying, different locations on the Flex app, Foot Locker, and Champ Sports. And I hit on a pair, like I said, but I was not able to confirm it. So, but you know what I'm saying, your boy got lucky on the third time I was able to get these joints. Let's read the official size tag real quick. Air Jordan Retro High OG, Pollen, white and black. And your boy got his size, man. Size 9, $170 retail price. Let's go ahead and take these out, have a little discussion about these. Oh, my first time seeing these in some months. First time seeing these since the early review I did. And bam, man, there we have it, the Air Jordan 1 Pollens, bro. Air Jordan 1 Pollens. And we first got rumors that these was dropping this year. I was going crazy over this pair right here. I'm not even gonna lie. I know you guys see my excitement during the early review I did. Shouts out to Legends UCF. They let your boy get an early review on these right here, and ever since then your boy was all over them. Like I was saying, man, I was like 2 seconds away from spending that resale value. The resale is really low, which leads us to our next topic, man. How long will these joints stay low? I don't think it's gonna stay low for that long, just based on the colorway. Look, how many times did we get a yellow and black Air Jordan 1? And we first got rumors that these were releasing, the buzz, the hype, the, you know, the talk about the Pollen Air Jordan 1s releasing was super crazy. And when it came closer to release date, these joints didn't really do much as far as the resale value. I know a lot of people always look for Air Jordan 1s to be super expensive, super pricey, but these right here are going for under $200. This colorway right here, the Air Jordan 1 Pollens, are going for less than $200 on the resale market. It's crazy, and I cannot believe it. You know, a lot of people still like, yo, how did these tank so bad? Maybe it was a lot of pairs of these. Maybe a lot of people just want to fill in the Pollens, but I don't think that's it at all. I think it's just based on when they were released, and also all the Air Jordan 1s that's releasing as well around there, the prices were not that high. So you guys see I unboxed the Air Jordan 1 Purple Metallics and women's, and I got the Air Jordan 1 Light Fusion Reds, and both of those going for under 200 bucks. Like, this crazy. This never would happen a couple years back. You know what I'm saying? All the Air Jordan releasing a couple years back were going for over $300 on the release date, and now we get something like this. The Pollens going for only 170, 180 bucks. So damn near retail. You can cop these on StockX, GOAT, wherever you buy your sneakers third party. I feel like once Nike, you know what I'm saying, releases all their pairs to all these different stores, you know, maybe some late shipments and stuff like that, maybe some pairs got lost, whatever y'all want to call it. Once everything finally releases, I definitely see these bad boys right here doing numbers. Like, I give it a year and a half tops are gonna be going for over $300 hands down, just based on the colorway, based on the quality, and based on the hype that it initially had. I think everything will go back to normal, and that's what every Air Jordan 1 I've been unboxing. I'm gonna make a video very soon about some Air Jordan 1s. You should probably invest there right now because it only has nothing but upside. You know what I'm saying? You should get sneakers like this. Just get sneakers like the Air Jordan 1 purples because they're so low. The light fusion reds, the quality is immaculate on them, guys. And some other Air Jordan 1s I'm gonna definitely put you guys on. And your boy DaVinci is gonna be investing in them joints as well, because I feel like sneakers like this, sneakers like the other two I unboxed these past couple days, are definitely gonna shoot up within a year tops, man. You guys let me know how you feel about that down below in the comment section. It's only right. It's the Air Jordan 1. You guys know how Air Jordan 1s do. Check out that nice pollen, man. I'm happy to have these in the collection, man. Super happy. On the tongue, you got your Nike Air. Check it out. You got white, black, and that, you know what I'm saying, pollen colorway on the tongue. They come equipped in yellow laces. I'm definitely throwing the yellow laces out and putting the white laces in there. It's gonna really pop. Make sure you got some B-roll of me lacing them up. And one other thing about these pollens is the quality is not that crazy, but that's neither here nor there, depending on the resale value. I think they're just gonna rise just based on the colorway itself, man. I think that these joints gonna shoot up like crazy within the year, like I said. And of course, you got your all yellow outsole on both these bad boys right here. Super nice. I really love this colorway. I'm super glad I got it. Your boy got it for retail, and I might hit up Nike, you know what I'm saying, apply that military discount to these joints, because your boy is super cheap and I don't mind saving a little bit of bread on these sneakers right here. So you guys let me know if you hit on the restock on the Nike sneakers app. This happened, I think, last weekend. I'm not for sure, but once they came in, I was super excited. I seen the box. It was all dinged up. I don't know what's going on with that. Please let me know if you have any issues with your shipping from Nike. It's been getting crazy out here, man. It's been really getting crazy. But let me know all that down below in the comment section. I appreciate everybody for tuning into today's video. I'm gonna be sure to teach you guys with some B-roll over these Air Jordan 1 Pollens. Super nice sneaker. I was happy to add these to the collection. I definitely think these are gonna shoot up in the resale value very soon. I'm gonna title the video that just so I can get you guys to come in and kind of hear what I was saying about how Air Jordan 1s do. They always tend to go up. This is definitely an Air Jordan 1 I would think, you know what I'm saying, a reseller will invest in. Your boy can get a couple pairs. I'm gonna get a couple pairs, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get a couple pairs, and I'm gonna bet on these shooting up in resale value by the end of the year. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, man. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any other content. Smack the like button. That really helps the channel grow. Help your boy hit that 50,000 subscribers on the channel. It'd be greatly appreciated. And head over to IG. Give your boy a follow at DaVinci's World, man. All that will be linked in the description box. And one more thing, man. If you're still watching, I forgot to link the discount code in the video for Guapi Official. The discount code saves you 10% off. All you gotta do is use the code DaVintage10. Plug that discount code in once you're ready to check out over there on Guapi Official, and it save you, you know what I'm saying, some little change. Save you some money, man. Save you some money, dope quality. Go check them out. I will link it down below in the description box, man. Appreciate your love and support. Thanks for tuning in. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.